Hey everybody, welcome to Extreme Food Reviews. My name is Daniel, and today we're coming at you with an amazing air fryer Korean barbecue chicken wing recipe. If you already own an air fryer or you're thinking about purchasing an air fryer, you've come to the right place because we've got you covered showing you how to make restaurant-style chicken wings right in your own kitchen. And stay tuned because we have a second super simple wing dressing recipe that is so simple it will blow your mind. So stay tuned to the end to find out the flavor that we found all the way up in Killington, Vermont. Are you ready? Here we go. Start with a whole chicken wing and slice off the tip. Cut through and around the bone. That'll give you two perfect pieces, the drumette and the flat. Today we're using an air fryer that can still give you crispy chicken wings at a fraction of the calories and fat you get from deep frying. Grab a can of your favorite cooking spray and prep the basket to help prevent sticking. Then carefully place your wing sections into the basket. Be sure not to stack them. You can usually fit between 10 to 12 pieces in your air fryer basket, depending on the size of your wing sections. Set your air fryer for 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 8 minutes. Now let's go to our food processor and make our wing sauce. Start with 3/4 cup of dark brown sugar. Add 1 cup of soy sauce. Next, add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now add 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Now we add chili garlic sauce. You can substitute sriracha for this step if that's what you have. Add 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Next we want to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Ginger root. This is a funny looking ingredient. You want to use a vegetable peeler to peel it back and then grate it into your mixture. We want about a tablespoon's worth. It will leave you with something that looks a bit like Bart Simpson when you're done. Process this for about 30 seconds. Grab 2 habanero peppers. These are red Dominican habaneros. Just remove the tops and slice them in half. Add them to your food processor and mix for another minute until completely pureed. Let's check back on our wings. Remove the basket and rotate them so they can cook evenly. Put them back in the air fryer on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 minutes. Now, at the stove, pour your sauce into a saucepan on medium-high heat. Cover this up and bring your sauce to a slow boil. Grab your cornstarch and add 1 heaping tablespoon to a few tablespoons of spring water. Mix this thoroughly until you have a milky white kind of liquid. Whisk this into your sauce slowly. Be sure to keep the sauce moving as you combine it. Keep whisking the sauce over medium-high heat. This will thicken your sauce up nicely. If you want a thicker sauce, you can add more cornstarch and water. Once your sauce reaches a slow boil again, remove it from the heat, cover it, and set it aside. Back at the air fryer, let's remove the basket and check on our wings. Man, those are coming along nicely. Let's rotate them, and let's put them back in for another 10 minutes. Look at how crispy they are, all without the use of deep frying. Let's set those aside. Now, let's put half of them in a bowl and grab our spicy Korean barbecue sauce from the stove. Pour some of the sauce over the chicken wings and toss them. Now here's our hidden secret for a second mild wing flavor: Old Bay seasoning. We use this for so many things, but it is fantastic on chicken wings. Shake some Old Bay seasoning generously and toss. Look at that. There you have it. Spicy Korean barbecue wings finished with roasted sesame seeds and Old Bay seasoned traditional wings. Crispy, restaurant quality wings made right in your own kitchen. So there you have it, wings 2 ways: spicy Korean barbecue and Old Bay. Who would have thought Old Bay was so good on wings? Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little X right there. And we'll see you every Friday morning at 7 a.m. for our regularly scheduled show. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Peace out.